To sew on a zipper, you want to start by changing out your foot on your sewing machine, and your zipper foot should look a little bit like this, and you can snap it right on. There's actually two different hooks for it, so depending on which side your zipper is on, you can change it around. Now we're going to do it on this side here. So the first thing we do is we lay our zipper right sides down on our fabric, and we sew right along the edge so we don't hit the actual zipper, the hard part of the zipper. Once we've sewn it right sides together, we can flip it, press it, and then top stitch after. As you can see, I had to switch the zipper foot because the zipper is on the opposite side when I go back to top stitch. And you want to make sure when you're top stitching, you hit both the underneath of the zipper and also the top fabric, of course. And you're just going to go right along here. The nice thing about the zipper foot is sometimes it feels like it's not holding on to the fabric as well as, say, the regular foot would, but if you have it on correctly, it should do a pretty good job. And that's all there is to it. To see the rest of this project, make sure to check out my blog post on making a mask bag, and that has a lot more information on how I sewed on this zipper for both sides of the bag. Alrighty, I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much for listening and watching. Please subscribe and visit me on DIYDanielle.com. Take care.